पेरिस ओलंपिक के लिए क्वालिफाई करने वाली भारतीय 4x400 मीटर रिले टीम की सदस्य ज्योतिका श्री डांडी बचपन में डॉक्टर बनना चाहती थी, लेकिन उन्होंने पिता के सपने को साकार करने के लिए खेलों में करियर बनाने का विकल्प चुना। ज्योतिका के पिता बॉडी बिल्डर रह चुके थे और चाहते थे कि उनकी बेटी खेलों में नाम कमाए। पिता की प्रेरणा और अपनी लगन और मेहनत की बदौलत ज्योतिका के पास आया है पेरिस ओलंपिक में दम दिखाने का मौका। नमस्कार, आपके साथ मैं हूं गुलविश और आप देख रहे हैं ओलंपिक पर हमारी स्पेशल सीरीज केंट आरो प्रेजेंट्स दिखा दो दम। केंट आरो, जो हमेशा रखता है शुद्धता का ख्याल। सालों से भरोसे की पहचान केंट आरो रखता है आपकी सेहत का ध्यान। ज्योतिका श्री से बातचीत शुरू करें उससे पहले आइए जान लेते हैं उनके अब तक के सफर के बारे में।
केंट से पानी होता है 100% प्योर।
केंट आरो प्योरिटी दिखाता भी है।
केंट देता है सबसे शुद्ध पानी।
आंध्र प्रदेश के पश्चिम गोदावरी जिले के तुनुकू शहर की 23 वर्षीय छात्रा ज्योतिका श्री के हौसले बुलंद हैं। पढ़ाई में बेहद मेधावी ज्योतिका ओलंपिक में देश का नाम रोशन करना चाहती हैं। 10वीं कक्षा में उन्होंने 97% अंक हासिल किए। युवावस्था में बॉडी बिल्डर रहे उनके पिता श्रीनिवास राव ने उन्हें खेलों में रुचि लेने के लिए प्रेरित किया। श्रीनिवास का सपना अपनी बेटी को ओलंपिक में देखने का था, जो कि अब बहुत जल्द हकीकत में बदलने जा रहा है। ज्योतिका हाल ही में बहामास में आयोजित 4x400 मीटर रिले में ओलंपिक टिकट पक्का करने वाली भारतीय टीम की चौकड़ी का हिस्सा थी। ज्योतिका बताती हैं कि 2017 तक उन्हें खेलों में रुचि नहीं थी, लेकिन 2020 के आसपास पिता के सपने को साकार करने का विचार आगे बढ़ा तो खेलों में उनकी रुचि भी बढ़ती गई। ज्योतिका की मां हाउसवाइफ है और उनकी एक बड़ी बहन है जिसकी हाल ही में शादी हुई है। ज्योतिका के पिता युवावस्था में बॉडी बिल्डर थे, लेकिन परिवार से समर्थन न मिलने के कारण उन्होंने बॉडी बिल्डर बनना छोड़ दिया। अब वे एक व्यवसायी हैं, लेकिन उन्हें खेलों में बहुत रुचि है। उन्होंने बेटी को बहुत प्रेरित किया और इसी वजह से उन्हें सुविधाओं के लिए ज्यादा संघर्ष नहीं करना पड़ा। ज्योतिका के पिता खेलों से जुड़ी बेटी की हर चीज का ख्याल रखते हैं। ज्योतिका का 400 मीटर में व्यक्तिगत सर्वश्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन 52.73 सेकंड्स है। पढ़ाई के दौरान वे क्लबों द्वारा आयोजित 200 मीटर और 400 मीटर की दौड़ में शीर्ष स्थान पर रहती थी। 9वीं कक्षा में ज्योतिका ने जिला और राज्य स्तर की प्रतियोगिताओं में भाग लेना शुरू कर दिया था। अब आंध्र प्रदेश की ये बेटी महिलाओं की 4x400 मीटर रिले टीम में जगह बनाकर पेरिस जा रही है। पेरिस 2024 ओलंपिक के लिए चुने जाने पर उनकी और उनके परिवार की खुशी की सीमा नहीं है। आइए बात करते हैं ज्योतिका श्री से और जानते हैं उनकी तैयारियों के बारे में।
इस समय हम मौजूद हैं ज्योतिका के साथ, जिन्होंने 4x400 मीटर रिले में ओलंपिक सेट में क्वालिफाई कर लिया है फॉर द वर्ल्ड रिलेज। एंड अभी ये इस समय हरियाणा में है, पंचकुला में है और ये अपनी आगे की जर्नी की तैयारी कर रही हैं, जो बहुत जल्द इनकी शुरू हो सकती है फॉर द पेरिस ओलंपिक्स 2024। वेलकम टू द शो, ज्योतिका।
Thank you.
How are you feeling? How do you feel you're about to embark on such a wonderful journey?
Yeah, like this season went well, went really good for me. Like we went to World Relays and we made qualifying for Olympics in 4x4 relay. That was my first senior world competition, and I didn't expect that I will be able to give that good performance, and which gave us a berth to be in Olympics. And in this competition in interstate, I have done good. I secured bronze, which will help me get into Olympics. Like we made qualifying, but it's individually we don't know who is gonna be the part. But I ran my good race here, so
let's hope for the best.
Yeah.
The official announcement is yet to be made.
Yes.
So, Jyotika, I'll ask you, I've read a little bit about you, and you have been quite good in studies as well in school.
Yeah.
And I heard you wanted to be a doctor. So
Yes.
what changed your mind?
It's like This is not my dream actually, it's my father's dream. He want me to become an athlete. In schooling I was pretty good at studies and I wanted to become a doctor or some, like I wanted to become something in that way, in studies way, but then it's my father's dream to make me an athlete, so I slowly took interest in athletics and now I'm here.
You're here.
Yeah.
So could you tell us a little bit about your father? I think he was in athletics himself.
No, he was bodybuilder.
Yeah, he was a bodybuilder.
Yeah.
So that's why he wanted you to...
Yeah, because there was no encouragement for him from his family, so he thought, no, he saw me running in annual days and also he thought I have that potential
You
to
have
be
the
an...
knack for it.
Yes. So he gave it a try, like he tried on me and then it worked. Yeah.
It's working pretty good.
Yeah.
And what about your other family? Who all are there in your family?
It's me, my father and sister.
Sister. So
Yeah.
is she also interested in sports?
Sports, no, she did yoga diploma and she's into yoga.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's great. That is other form of exercise, but
Yes.
do you also do yoga like in your exercise regime?
Yeah, in the off season we do, but when it comes to season it's like workout, it's different. Yeah.
So like it's on, the season is on right now.
Yes,
And
yes, yeah.
what does your regime include? Like what workout are you doing on a daily basis?
It goes really tough. Like every day it can't be tough because human body, we can't take load every day.
That's
So
true.
weekly thrice like that we'll be having load, and then we'll be having strength gym weights, we'll be having some explosive strength. Everything is included.
So
and
it's like alternate days.
it's 400 meters, so everything we should concentrate on everything.
Yeah, so what difference is there actually? I was wondering, like 100 meters, I know that you have to sprint in that, but then
Yes, yes.
400 meters you have to, I guess,
Yeah,
save
it's-
some of the strengths. Could you tell us
No,
about
it's not that we should save strengths. No, we work for it. We get lactic in last 50 meters. It's so tough. Actually, we work for it. It's not that we are storing something, but it's judgment. We have to judge like first 100 how much we should go. It's just judgment.
So you have to like make a proper plan in your mind.
Yeah.
And running as an individual in 400 meters and running in a relay,
Yeah.
which do you like better and why?
I like to run relay more because it's like chasing. I like to chase. If someone is in front of me, I like to chase, and that's what like in world relays also, like 3-4 people were ahead of me, and that gave me something.
Motivation.
So, yeah, to chase them and catch them, and that made us qualify. Yeah.
That's really good. You have that zealth to get ahead.
Yes.
That's really good.
कैंट देता है 100% प्योर पानी और 4 साल तक फ्री सर्विस।
प्योर पानी में मिनरल्स बने रहते हैं।
कैंट देता है सबसे शुद्ध पानी।
Other than this journey that you've started now, this will be your first Olympics if you go, right?
Yes.
So what struggles did you have to face, like while
Yeah, actually last year was pretty good for me at the start, and then I got some knee injury, and then I was off the track for a month, and then I started training again, but that 1 month is I lost that 1 month. So other athletes got that 1 month and they trained, and I lost that month, and then I got fit again, but by the time Asian Games, I lost Asian Games.
I
I was not into the team. And after that, I was so sad and depressed that I was not in team, and that got something in me that this year I should do good, I should get qualified for Olympics. And then off season went well, and as it happened last year, as I got injury last year, I was little conscious about myself, like I took care of myself, and I was physios supported me a lot, and my coaches, so we were so conscious from the start. So even if I get little pain, we took care of it, and we tried not to get injured. Yeah.
That's very important. Even 1 month is very crucial, I
Yes,
think, in an
yeah.
athlete's life. And other than your family, do you have like some outside support, like some federation supporting you, or some agencies supporting you?
It's like since a month, like after the World Relays and Asian Relays, I got into JSW. I think last month, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And before that, where were you training before that?
No, I was in national camp, but there was
National
no
camp?
Trivandrum.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
The sports authority?
Yes,
of
yes,
India.
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you were there before?
Yes, since 3 years I'm training at Trivandrum.
Okay. And since how many years have you been training for this 400 meters in particular? When did it start?
It's been 10 years. I'm into sports, yeah. And since starting I used to do 800 meters like that, but 400 and 800 I used to do, like, so it's been 10 years I'm running 400.
Okay, so Jyotika, you've seen the team, you've seen your teammates, and what according to you is like the future of 4x400 meters, like in the Paris Olympics? What do you think, how are we going to perform?
It's like if we get qualified for mixed relay, it would be more like we have chances to be at finals. 4x4 women relay is also good, doing good. Athletes are doing pretty well because Kiran ran 50.92 and Deepanshi also ran pretty well, and even Shubha, other athletes, Puvamaka, everyone, Rupal, everyone ran pretty well, so we can clock good timing there, yeah.
And why do you say that, you know, mixed relay would give you a better edge?
Because our boys are so good. They last year world championship they done pretty well, and they made Asian record. So we have good boys also, and we have good girls. So both together we can get, yeah.
Yeah, of course, teamwork.
Yeah.
So, what would you say your USP is? Like, what would you say your strong suit is when you're running or when you're training?
Like,
I mean, you have like a good
speed or strength or endurance.
yeah.
I am good at endurance. Sorry, yeah.
endurance.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's your USP.
Yes, yes, yes.
That's really good. And your personal best, what is your personal best till date?
51.53.
51.53.
Which I ran at the Grand Prix 3, Bangalore. This
In the Bangalore
yeah.
event. It just happened a month ago.
Yes, yes. Not just it's just 10 days ago. 20,
Oh, yes.
some 15 days ago. Yeah.
Just a few days ago. So you've come from Bangalore to here
No,
directly?
and then Trivandrum and here. Like after that competition, we went to Trivandrum for a week, and then we came here. And like yesterday, I didn't run my personal best, but it is my second personal best, and I'm fine because I have little aches and pains, so I have to take care of myself. So
That's true.
I can't push harder also.
Save some for the final
Yes,
day.
yes.
And Jyotika, who do you think India's competition is right now in this category, 4x400 meter relay competition? You must have seen other countries' players as well, athletes as
So
well.
USA, like
USA.
Netherlands, they have pretty good teams. Yeah,
They do.
yeah.
Okay. So, but we have also been training really well, right? I think we're going to do good things in this Olympics.
Yeah.
In fact, I was reading it somewhere that, you know, every year that we go out for some international competitions, the numbers are constantly increasing.
Yeah,
of athletes. They're constantly doing better and better.
Yes.
And any other plans after the Olympics? Any other games that you're looking forward to?
No, for this season,
For this
Olympics,
season?
yeah, because since the start of this season we are running, competing. So I just want to take some rest and
That's
get back
good.
stronger next year.
After athletics, as you said, you would like to rest and, you know, prepare for the next season.
Yeah.
But you'll have some free time in your hands. So what do you like to do in your free time? What are your hobbies?
In free time, like not just after this season ends, but
In your free time in
yeah,
general?
like I watch, I draw. Yeah, I draw.
Oh, you do.
Yeah.
And what else? Do you like to travel as well?
No, yeah, I like to travel with friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really good, and we hope you do really well.
Yeah.
When the final list comes out and your
Yes,
name comes in it, I'm
Yes,
sure
yes.
you're going to do
Yeah.
pretty well.
Yeah.
We saw you run yesterday.
Yes.
It was really good, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for
Thank
speaking with
you.
us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
पिता श्रीनिवास राव ही नहीं, पूरे देश के लिए गौरव है ज्योतिका श्री। हमें उम्मीद है कि ज्योतिका पेरिस ओलंपिक में देश का नाम जरूर रोशन करेंगी। खिलाड़ियों को हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए शुक्रिया केंटारो। हमारी ओलंपिक स्पेशल सीरीज दिखा दो दम के अगले एपिसोड में फिर से हाजिर होंगे किसी और ओलंपिक खिलाड़ी के साथ। देश को हौसला बढ़ा दो खिलाड़ियों, दिखा दो दम। नमस्कार।
जी हाँ, सिर्फ केंट देता है 4 साल तक फ्री सर्विस।
और सर्विस मिले सबसे फास्ट।
केंट का सबसे शुद्ध पानी पीते रहें और बेफिक्र रहें।
यूपी की हर खबर देखने और उनसे अपडेट रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल श्रेष्ठ यूपी को सब्सक्राइब और लाइक करें। साथ ही बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें, जिससे हमारे हर वीडियो की जानकारी आप तक पहुंचती रहे।